Okay, then you use it. Ooh, that's good.
If you don't get out, this day that God has given me, I'm not gonna waste this joy deep down inside me. I'm not gonna share.
Hi my lovely friends, welcome to another vlog. So today's a Tuesday. The kids are home, so please, if you hear any noise in the background, it's them. They are upstairs. I really want to do this intro real quick before I go. I don't want them to come meet me. Oh Lord. So today is election day, and they are using their school as a voting poll, so they couldn't go to school was canceled for them. Hallelujah. At least I got some time to rest, because from the last vlog that was like Monday, just yesterday, yeah guys, I was tired. I couldn't even show you all the things I got from like Ross and Marshalls. I showed you the ones that I could. Okay guys, it wasn't, the ones left were not enough. I just got like some Christmas and birthday gift bags, and yeah, I think that was it, and one or two clothes for the kids. Yeah, that was it. Yeah, so I think I showed you most of the things. Yep. Yeah, so the agenda for today I couldn't go to the gym. I just wanted to sleep because I have work tonight, so I worked out at home. As you can see, I still have my workout clothes on me. I worked out in the basement, and I'm rushing right now to the car wash to get my car cleaned because the kids made a whole lot of mess on Sunday when we were coming from church. They ate in the car, and guys, it's an eyesore. So yeah, I want to do this real quick before they get down. They are having their bath upstairs. Yeah, I got some stuff from Amazon, and I want to do like a quick haul before I go. So these items came this morning, and I will be showing you. So on 21st November is my first daughter's birthday, and I want to do like, I want to bake her like a birthday cake for the first time at least, you know. So I think this is a baking pan that I got. Yeah, I got this baking. I had one before, but it was the 4 inches. I thought it was gonna be like a reasonable size, but it was so small. So I got these ones. This is 8 inches, and it's 3 packs. Yeah, it was a good price. So I got these one, the baking pan. Oh, and I got this eye max. Yeah, for my under eye. Sometimes when I wake up, my under eye will be so puffy. So I got this to try eye max. I haven't used it before, so I'm gonna try and hopefully tell you how, you know, that goes. Okay. Guys, so you remember the iPad I got? Yeah, so I got a case for it. I got the case that comes with a keyboard, wireless keyboard case. I am super happy. And guess the color. If you know me, you know the color I would get this in. Okay. You know, just put it in the comment section before I even open it. I mean, this video might even be late. Don't worry, guys. Don't even worry about me. Ooh. And it's heavy because of the keyboard. Let me show everything to you guys. I am so much in a rush. I don't want this case to come down here, else it will be chaotic. Ooh. Okay, look at that, guys. Look at that. That is super cute. All right, guys, so I'll put the iPad in and show it to you. Okay. I hope the kids are not coming. Oh, I also get this gloss for my scrub. I think I got one, the exfoliating scrub, yesterday, but I got like a good deal on Amazon. I think this was like 30 pieces or so. It's like a gloss that you use, you know, for the body scrub. You know, it has like a rough texture, so sometimes you just want to wear something to protect your arm, and you like be able to use it well on your skin. So this is I think it's 30, was it 30 pieces? Yeah, for $8 or something. Yeah, that was a good deal. Yeah, let me open it and show you guys. I have the scissors. Let me take one out. Yeah, so this is how you use it. Okay, then you use it. Ooh, that's good. Okay, yeah, so that is that. Guys, I am super excited for this one. So for my daughter's birthday, I want us to do a little like painting activity. So this is it, guys. I don't want the kids to come down and see me here like that, okay? So I will not open this now, but I'll definitely show you the content. It's like a painting kit, yeah, and it comes with a lot of things. I'll open it and go through with you when I come back. Okay, so let me put this one aside. I also got a shower steamer. So with this, I have used one before, but it was a different brand, yeah, and I bought like this one. Ooh, smells good. Smells good already. Yeah, so you just throw it in your shower before you get in, and it gives you that spa feeling, you know. And this is a balloon inflator. So I just want to do like a little birthday setup, you know. I just want to go all out for my kids, you know. They are all I got. So like this year, I really planned that with their birthdays, I really go all out and, you know, do like each birthday, like we will celebrate it. Yeah, in the house, do a little setup, you know, do a little activity. Okay, so I will be doing a little decor here and there, not too much, something minimalistic, you know, home birthday, you know. Yeah, so I got this electric balloon pump. Okay, I think I ordered some balloons. It's not yet in. When it comes, I'll show it to you guys. Yeah, so that's all we got. That is all we got. I'm gonna put the stuff back and run to the car wash. All right, guys, I'm gonna leave the stuff right here and rush before the kids come. Yeah.
Up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find an image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within, and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty end up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher, fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher, fly up out the valley and fire. Train her feet for running, show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up, you're with the army. Ready when the truth act up, nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof, I touch, put up a guard and count to 10. Lion's den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire, fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days. Cold days. Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you. And I still pray, dear God, God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Cause I would rather be running away. I would rather be running. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away. I need to get away now. I need to get away now. Train her feet for running. Show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up. You're with the army. Ready when the truth act up, nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof, I touch, put up a guard and count to 10. Lion's den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire then. Fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days. Cold days. Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you. And I still pray, dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Cause I would rather be running away. I would rather be running.
Guys, so I finished everything around like 4:45, okay? Had my shower, laid in bed, and my sleep didn't even reach. I wish I could have like straight 2 hours sleep without interruption, but it didn't happen for me. This week has really been like a stressful week, and I'm gonna work. Today's Tuesday. I'm working Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Yeah, and I'll be off Friday, and I'll go back Saturday, Sunday. So it's just gonna be a stressful one, okay? Yep. I'm so tired. So tired, guys. Alright, this is the scent of the night. Very mild. Okay, not doing too much, especially when going to work. Alright guys, so I will see you in the next vlog, okay? Super tired. Thank you so much for staying and sticking with me and watching this vlog to the end. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also stick for more videos, okay? And until I see you in the next video, be light, be gentle, and be kind. I love you guys, and take very good care of yourself. Bye.
So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made.